was a big hole right there. That's where I remember all the foam was sticking out of the bottom, so I filled it with foam, and I put the fiberglass over it.
Okay.
This spot here was all Bondo. It was all cracked and, you know, coming apart.
And by the way, all right, go ahead. I'm glad you said a little loud. I don't know what your definition of loud is, but
It's got the open headers on it now.
all right. So what are you gonna what are you gonna do? Muffle it down or put flow masters?
I don't know if these would sound good on there, but I got dual pipes just like this. They're chrome. I can clean them up.
And that saves me $1?
Yeah, they still save you some money. Yeah.
But use it. That's all.
This is probably about $400 worth of pipes. So just go ahead and let you have it for like $100.
I love it. I love it.
So it's but I have to send it to the muffler shop. What he's got to do is cut these off.
Yeah.
Just make little pipes to adapt it to the headers.
Absolutely.
This will come out of each side.
Yeah.
Like that.
Cool.
And these are magnet flows. They're good. It's gonna be a little loud. If you want it quieter, we can put regular muffler.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
This has, you know, headers and the magnet flows. It's
No, I want people to feel this is a tough truck.
So it'll come out behind here. If you don't care, if you want, we can make it go all the way to the back. It's going to cost a little bit more though to make it come out behind the bumper. So that's really your choice.
Behind the bumper.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've watched pulling up close to whatever. If they're sticking out more than the cab,
It'll be a lot louder for you. So,
running out the back.
yeah, so